In this video, we listed the 5 best circular saws on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Yofidra 5-inch Electric Circular Saw. The Yofidra 125mm brushless circular saw is a versatile woodcutting tool designed for home DIY enthusiasts, compatible with 18V Makita batteries. Featuring a brushless motor that achieves a no-load speed of 10,800 RPM, this saw can handle various materials including solid wood, PVC, MDF, and ceramic tiles. It boasts adjustable cutting angles from 0 degrees to 45 degrees and a maximum cutting depth of 45 mm, accommodating different project needs. The saw is equipped with a solid metal guide plate for precise cutting, a comfortable rubber handle to reduce fatigue, and a semicircular protective cover to guard against dust and debris. This lightweight circular saw includes 3 saw blades with 24 teeth, making it an efficient and safe choice for woodworking tasks. However, it is essential to note that it is not compatible with certain G-series or NICD batteries. Number 2. NEWONE Drill Reciprocating Saw. The NEWONE chain saw attachment is designed for users in mainland China, operating on DC power. It is important to note that this listing is specifically for the attachment only. Customers must already possess a compatible body, battery, and charger to use it effectively. For those interested in a complete set, a combo kit is available through the provided link. Additionally, the attachment is compatible with tools from other brands, specifically those that utilize Makita's 18V system, as NEWONE offers replacement batteries that fit existing Makita tools. Overall, the product is tailored for consumers seeking a versatile and efficient saw attachment for various power tool applications. Number 3. PATUOPRO 5-inch Circular Saw. The PATUOPRO cordless circular saw is a high-quality, efficient power tool designed for home DIY enthusiasts and professional users alike. Featuring a brushless motor that produces a no-load speed of 6,800 RPM, this saw effortlessly cuts through various materials with exceptional precision. It boasts a maximum cutting depth of 42 mm and adjustable cutting angles up to 45 degrees, making it versatile for different project requirements. The compact and lightweight design allows for one-handed operation, enhancing user convenience and control while reducing fatigue. Safety features include a switch lock to prevent accidental operation and built-in LED lighting for visibility in dim environments. This tool is powered by a 20V battery and is compatible with various lithium batteries, though it is essential to note that it is not compatible with G-series or NICD batteries. Available packages include options for the saw alone or with 1 or 2 batteries and a charger, catering to different user needs. Number 4. DEWALT DCS 391 Circular Saw. The DEWALT DCS 391 is a powerful 165mm, 6.5 inches, cordless circular saw designed for home DIY projects, weighing just 2.9 kilograms. It features a robust 5,150 RPM brushed motor and offers a maximum cutting depth of 55 mm, making it suitable for various woodworking applications. The saw is equipped with an ultra-thin kerf carbide tipped blade with 24 teeth, ensuring efficient runtime and producing smooth cuts. Its ergonomic design includes a rubber grip and an optimally shaped handle for user comfort. The quick adjustments enabled by the keyless bevel angle and depth settings, coupled with its durable magnesium base, enhance its precision and reliability. Safety features such as a lock-off switch, electronic motor brake, and spindle lock provide additional control during operation and facilitate quick blade changes. This circular saw, certified by CE and FCC, is designed for versatile and accurate cutting, making it an excellent choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Number 5. Milwaukee M12 Cutting Saw. The Milwaukee M12 FCOT Mini Handheld Cutting Saw is a versatile cordless power tool designed for efficient cutting across various materials. Powered by a 12V battery, this mini saw offers portability and ease of use, making it ideal for both professional and DIY applications. With its compact design, the saw is suited for tight spaces, while its robust construction ensures durability and reliability. This model, identified as the Bear tool, model number 2522-20, is sourced from mainland China and does not contain any high concern chemicals, prioritizing user safety and environmental considerations. Overall, it reflects Milwaukee's commitment to quality and innovation in power tools.